What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We are back in my bathroom one more again. First off, I know it's been a minute. I want to say thank you to everyone who's been patient with me over the last month or so with this break I've been taking from YouTube just to focus on school right now. I know it is Thanksgiving week and this video was kind of a time issue just because I need to get this one up because it is a collaboration with Living Earth. They are sponsoring this video, not necessarily like a paid sponsorship, but they just wanted to get my thoughts about a product that they wanted me to try. So this is their Black Pearl Teeth Whitening Powder. So this is what I'm gonna be talking about today. So before we get into today's video, watch the last one. It's Halloween theme oriented, but I mean, I know we're out of Halloween, but still just watch it for the entertainment value, okay? Do that first, and let's get on to this video, all right? All right, cool. So today's video is about teeth whitening. I actually have done a teeth whitening video in the past. That was using a gel, and that was a 2-week, routine of that. If you want to click on that and see how those results went, then you can do that as well. But for this video, we're actually doing a charcoal and bentonite clay powder. This one from Living Earth. It's their Black Pearl teeth whitening natural powder. It's completely natural and magical. Okay, I'm creating new words. But let me read you a quick thing about Living Earth. So Living Earth is an American brand. So if y'all want to keep y'all dollars in the country, you can do that. That's cool. It's an American brand that makes all organic, natural, vegan, cruelty-free alternatives to traditional beauty care. So that's really cool, especially people who are trying to keep a vegan lifestyle, not just with their diet, but then with everything that they use, like shampoos, body things, and teeth whitening. They have that option for you. So I tried the Black Pearl Charcoal Teeth Whitening Powder. It's on their website for $19.95, so it's $20. So I'm just gonna put that out there. I'm gonna just read y'all some facts about this before we get to nitty gritty. So like I said before, this is an organic, vegan, fluoride-free, cruelty-free, and GMO-free product. There's no toxic chemicals. It removes decay from your teeth when you're using it. It helps to strengthen the enamel with the calcium in the bentonite clay in the powder. Also helps heals your gums and fights bad breath with the absorbent qualities of the activated charcoal. So not just whitening your teeth, but if you happen to be a victim of halitosis, and if you had to look it up and you're trying to figure out why your friends don't want to come sit by you when you go to lunch, that you they want to get that checked out. So all that said about the powder, I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts after, but watch this part because I'm gonna show you guys the whole video. Maybe you guys can see if this actually works, because I don't know. I may see it, but I'm not sure. But anyway, cut to the journey. All right, cut to the journey. This is day one. We'll see how this goes. Alrighty, this is day 2. All right, day 3. Okay, y'all, this is day 4. So my teeth look great now. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the teeth whitening process. This is why the truck gotta pass as soon you see me. Okay, anyway, I just want to give you guys a daylight, natural light feel for what this looks like. So this is day 5, the beginning of day 5. This is morning right now, but I just wanted you guys to see what my teeth look like. The goal ultimately for this process is that, from what I've heard from dentists, is that ideally for teeth whitening, you want the can't talk today. You want the color of your teeth to be the same color as the whites of your eyes. So for me, the whites of my eyes have more of a cool white color and my teeth have more of a warm white. So we're trying to cool that so it matches. And so I think I'm starting to see results on day 5, but we still have 23 more days to go for this 4-week. Well, actually it's a 30-day process, so we have 25 more days to go. So keep you posted, keep on watching, we'll see how this goes. Okay, y'all, so my last video that I did of my update on my teeth, also I'm kind of sick right now, so that's why my voice sounds like this, but today is Monday, which would be technically 9 days after I started doing this whitening process. I did miss 2 nights and 1 day brushing because I was just so busy this week and I was so tired, so I didn't really do it. So I'm gonna count today as day 7 instead of like day 9 because I don't want to shortchange myself in terms of applications using this product. So this is day, sorry, I'm telling you I'm sick. I'm so sick right now. Not so sick, but I'm just getting over something. So this is day 7, as you can see right here. And yeah, that's how it looks in relationship to my eyes. Again, I'm wanting this to be the same color as this. So a little bit more ways to go. But I'm actually starting to notice the difference. So we'll go for the next 23 days and see how this goes. What up, y'all? It's day 9. Finally over this freaking head cold, but this is what my teeth are looking like right now. This is day 10, and this is what my sink looks like. I have not been cleaning it just because I want to show you guys that it can get very messy doing this. But anyway, this is day 10 of the teeth cleaning process. So this is day 12, just 2 weeks after I started, but we skipped 2 days. But this is day 12. This is what my teeth look like right now. Let me do this way so you can see a little bit better. Alrighty, y'all, this is day 15, halfway point. Right now, I can't say, I mean, I feel like it's getting whiter, but at the same time, I'm like, I think I have too high expectations, not for this product, but just for whitening in general. Like I'm feeling like it's gonna get to as white as I want it to be. And I think I have unrealistic expectations of what that is. But I will keep going for the next 15 days and finish out this trial for the 30-day. And hopefully the results will be where I'm wanting them to be, or closer to where I wanted my teeth to be in terms of how white they are. So we'll see. Also, another note, today is October 11th, so this is actually my 5 years and 3 months of having locks. I'm gonna go to sleep now because it's almost 2 a.m. and I have to wake up in 4 hours, so I will see y'all later. Bye. What up, y'all? This is day 17 of the teeth whitening. I had a small lapse about 2 days ago between 15, whatever. It's hard to keep, when you're a person who has this I can't even talk right now. When you're a person who's doing as much as I'm doing, it is really hard to add a small, like extra 2-3 minutes in your routine of brushing your teeth with charcoal powder. So this is day 20 of this whitening process. Okay, y'all, so it is day 26, I think. There's a difference. But again, I really can't tell because this has been a day-by-day process. So when we get to the last day, which is day 30, which will be this Saturday, I will, see if this is the real deal or not, but yeah. Oh, yeah, y'all. It is day 29 of this whitening process. I am seeing my teeth on a day-to-day basis, and so for me, it doesn't even feel like they're getting whiter, which they are, but it just doesn't feel that way because I'm seeing the results day by day by day. But people who haven't seen me in a few weeks came into the bar like, you've been doing something with your teeth or something, but one person said that they can definitely tell that my teeth are whiter. Another person said your smile is just very shimmery and dazzling tonight. So that's good. So I'm not mad at those compliments and those words. So yeah. So I guess we're good. But we still have one more day. Still not mad, I guess. If people are noticing, then I guess I must be doing something right. So we're gonna keep on going. I apologize for my dirty mirror, but this is day 30 of this teeth whitening process. And this is what my teeth look like. Yeah. So yeah, I'll give you guys a full, thing, so keep on watching. Okay, so that was the thing. I did it for 30 days. I didn't do it for 30, 30 continuous days. It was more like 35 days or 40 actually. One of the issues that I ran with this thing is that because of my schedule, because of how lazy I am as a person, it was hard. And I don't know why. It's just an extra 2 to 3 minutes of your routine of using this stuff, okay? You put the powder on your toothbrush, on a wet toothbrush, you brush your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it, morning and night. But that's like an extra 4 to 6 minutes a day, right? And like, you wouldn't think that's a lot, but when you're me and you tired and you waking up early, like at 6 a.m. to get to work, the last thing you want to think about and worry about is adding a little extra something in your routine. Now, why do I like to whiten my teeth? From the first time that I've done it, I still don't feel like my teeth are as white as they could. Not should, but as much as I want them to be. When I talked to my dentist, she did say, or not my dentist, but another dentist at the place that I go to, they were saying that if I was whitening my teeth, ideally what they like to go for is that they want your teeth to be the same color as the whites of your eyes. Now, for me right now, they are very close. I think the only issue that I have is the undertone of my teeth right now. For me, that's a big issue. The whites of my eyes obviously have a bluish tint to them. They can get yellow when I'm sweating in them and they get irritated. But for the most part, the whites of my eyes have more of a blue neutral tint. But my teeth, they are whiter. I'm not going to disagree that they are whiter. I like how much they have whitened over the month that I've used the powder. They still have a little bit of a yellow, warm undertone to them. So that, obviously, that's from the stuff that I drink, the coffee, the tea, the orange juice. Sport drinks do that. And that's also why I need to do teeth whitening, because I drink and eat lots of things that kind of do not help with maintaining the whiteness of your teeth. Like, so those things, and then also eating acidic foods. I didn't know tomatoes, berries, that also, and even carbohydrates like bread. Bread can like stain your teeth apparently, which is horrible because I love bread and fried rice and pasta. Like, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to eat? Honestly, what, air? They're gonna tell me that air stain your teeth. The only issues, well, actually there was another issue that I had. Another issue that I had was I accidentally ingested some of the powder. Like, you know when you're brushing your teeth like with like normal toothpaste and sometimes you'll swallow the fluoride or whatever. I kind of did that a little bit with the charcoal, like the first day I did it, so I put too much on the toothbrush. A little goes a long way. I did not read that at first. So I had a little bit of like a throat irritation for like 3 to 4 days, which was fine. I took some medicine, I'm good now. Okay, I'm saying it. I was hitting a high G at church on Sunday and the Sunday before. Our voice is coming through, honestly. Drink your water. If you singing in your choir at church and you trying to figure out why you ain't getting the solo, drink your water, okay? You gotta protect this, protect your gift, all right? Drink your water, hydrate, okay? So that was really the only thing. And then kind of brushing your teeth too aggressively, don't do that, okay? I was really like eager to get like white teeth really quickly, and I was like really brushing it. Don't do that. Be gentle on your gums, your teethuses, okay? Don't do that. Or my grandpa would say when he was alive, toothuses. Don't do that, okay? Late grandpa. So, you know, for me, I would recommend this. It's only $20. If you wanted to get your teeth professionally whitened, it would be $300. So $20 for, you know, a little boost. If you're going on vacation or something in the summer and you're like, you know what, I got like about 2 months, get you some of this. It's only $20, like I said, and this will help you get a little bit more of a boost in your smile, okay? It'll boost the confidence too, because we're gonna all use that, so that's great. Also, just wanna give y'all, I don't know if I said this. So the 3 key ingredients, I didn't know if I said this, I'm just gonna put this out there for information in case you need to know. The 3 active ingredients in this is activated coconut charcoal, which helps to detoxify and whiten your teeth. The other ingredient is the bentonite clay that helps to clean and remineralize. That's a hard word. Clean and remineralize. I can't even say it. Let me try it again. Clean and remineralize your teeth. And then also the baking soda, which just helps to polish your teeth. So good ingredients, organic, GMO free, cruelty free. It's fluoride free too. If you have a thing, it's fluoride, you know. So my recommendation, at the end of the day, I would try it. If you have $20 free, if you don't, you know, that's like 2 meals at Wendy's or like 2 spicy chicken meals, but you add the 3 strips of bacon, take off the mayonnaise and get barbecue sauce and a large fry and a medium root beer. Send it my way. You know, then you can get this stuff. It's pretty easy to use. It's not much time. If you were lazy, you kind of have to bite the bullet and just get up a little bit earlier and do it. The taste is not that bad. It does have peppermint in there as well, so that kind of helps to counterbalance the taste of the clay and the charcoal. Do not ingest this, okay? It is not. You're not meant to eat it. It's just for your teeth. Okay, but I still got a little bit of powder left in here, so I might use it for the next, you know, however many days I have this until it runs out completely. So maybe we can get a little bit more boost of white out of this. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, well that's the video. That's the video. So we're done. We're done. We're done. Bye, bye, bye. Peace. Move. Go to the end card. That's the video, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you also, Amber, for Living Earth, for reaching out to me. Thought as said, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about this particular product or any other things, wellness and lifestyle grooming related or lock related, ask me. And also, what other types of videos do you guys want to see? Let me know. I want to keep creating, doing stuff. I know I can't do as much in the future because of some endeavors that I'm taking on that I do not want to talk about right now, but good vibes are welcome and appreciated. So keep me in your thoughts and prayers, okay? So there's that. What else? Hit me up on any other type of social media. Facebook, Snapchat, not Facebook. I don't have Facebook. I mean, I have a personal one, but don't find me, okay? Do not do that, no. But what is it? Instagram and Snapchat, those two places. Just Unloc'd at both places. And then of course, if you have not already done so, subscribe to this channel. I try to upload on Mondays. It's not every week right now. I'm still kind of on hiatus from YouTube, but I needed to get this video up. And also hit the bell notification, because since I'm not posting every week, this will let you know when I do post. It's like, oh, he here, he back for a second. Maybe he up to something. Maybe I should watch the video, see what's good. Maybe I should learn a thing or two. Learn a thing or two, watch the video, get educated. Okay, do that, do that. The last part, I always forget this, and there's a video up there. It's the last video. You can watch it. There's more lifestyle and men's grooming in that playlist, and then also that subscribe circle thing. Yes, click all of those, watch the video content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, peace, and keep it locked. I forgot to say that, oh my God. Bye y'all, bye, bye, bye.